Hello kids, this is lesson 4. It's Sunday. Repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Wow, very good. Now, this time let's use it in a sentence. Repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Saturday. It's Saturday.
Yeah!
Wow, awesome! Now this time, let's do it a little faster. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Let's go. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Saturday. It's Saturday. Very good.
Yeah!
Now this time, let's use it in a conversation. Repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Hello Alexa, what day is it? Hi teacher, it's Sunday. Hello Tom, what day is it? Hi teacher, it's Monday. Hello Tara, what day is it? Hi teacher, it's Tuesday. Hello Lester, what day is it? Hi teacher, it's Wednesday. Hello Jake, what day is it? Hi teacher, it's Thursday. Hi Yam, what day is it? Hi teacher, it's Friday. Hi Sid, what day is it? Hi teacher, it's Saturday. Wow, good job!
Yeah!
Now, it's your turn. Are you ready? Answer the questions. Let's go. Hello, what day is it? Very good. Hello, what day is it? Oh, good job. Hello, what day is it? Whoa, very good. Next. Hello, what day is it? Good job. Next. Hello, what day is it? Very good. Hello, what day is it? Wow, very good. Hello, what day is it? Oh, good job! Very good. Now, before we end, let's do it one last time. Repeat after me. Are you ready? It's Sunday. It's Monday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday. It's Thursday. It's Friday. It's Saturday. Yay! Very good! That is awesome! That's all for now. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye! See you!